let's put one to eat seaweed.
Nah.
And see if fish is first.
Open it.
Okay,
See who can finish first. Hey, show him this package.
This food. Get a thumbnail food. People get thumbnails. Oh, fuck.
Damn, that shit smells nasty.
Fuck yeah, nigga.
Tried it. Try it. Now bite it.
Take it off.
Take a bite of that. Whoever don't finish it gets packed out.
Yeah?
Yeah.
$30 on the line and you got yourself a deal.
Alright.
Oh.
It's not that bad.
What the fuck? That shit's fucking. Oh, my stomach hurts now. Oh. If I throw it right here, you gonna clean it up?
Nah, just throw up in this. Nigga, you're gonna get packed out if you don't eat it.
Fuck that nigga.
I'm trying to eat 3.
You fucking nasty.
Eat some.
Okay.
Alright, then.
I get back packed out then in this.
For real?
Yeah. Not yet though.
I'm gonna finish this and then we're gonna go in the playroom.
The playroom. Nick, where the fuck is that playroom at?
The living room. That's what my brother called it.
Hold on, let me get the water and I'll eat it.
Give me one too.
Heads up. I'm gonna eat this shit, right? Hey guys, what the fuck? Am I smelling it? It smells like shit.
Plug your nose.
Nigga, I think I'm in sea. Like the fish sea.
Plug your nose, nigga. This nigga threw up.
It's disgusting, food.
Oh my god.
Yeah. You said they're good, food. Get out of here, food.
Ew.
Tell that shit's fucking disgusting. Nigga, I dare you. Here, look at.
Say I won't. This is about 10. What? A click?
And
Oh, nigga.
here. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Open up.
Nigga.
Well, I'm done.
Press pause on that shit.
I'm sick and tired of it.
Shit's nasty. Alright, well, obviously I ain't more, so nigga, I'm gonna pack you out.
No, you ain't.
Yeah. Either right here, nigga, or over there.
Hold on. Oh.
Hey, put it in there. All that, put it in there.